AI isn't just a tool, it's the engine of modern business. Unlock its full power with an AI-native data infrastructure. Businesses struggle with outdated infrastructures built for traditional analytics, not AI. To thrive, they must embrace a seamless, AI-native data approach.
I'm Steve Jones, I'm the EVP for Data-Driven Business and Agentic Architecture at Capgemini, and my job is working with clients on a simple challenge. AI will make 50% of business decisions in the future. It will be the driver of change and scale and competitive advantage, but that means applications need to be considered as tools for AI. User experience is great and it needs to be important, but we've also got to start thinking about AI experience. How do we get information that is accurate at the point of decision, at operational speeds that empowers people in AI to make decisions that work for a business? That's what we're working on with MongoDB. This shift of the idea from data quality to data accuracy, and from AI from being a back office thing or a sidecar to being an actual embedded part of an operational organization. Operational AI is the challenge we're working on.
It is right. How do you enable operational AI? Well, you need a truly unified data platform to guarantee real-time access into the data in the context of the applications. So you need to be able to combine metadata, operational data, vector search, semantic search, and ideally get truly optimized embeddings and re-ranking capabilities on the same platform that would be really easy to manage, deploy, and optimize on any hyperscaler cloud. That is what MongoDB enables today, and that is why I am convinced that MongoDB is the best platform to contemplate designing new, truly modern applications ready for AI.
AI-driven businesses are the future. Those investing in smart, data-first infrastructures today will lead tomorrow's innovation. Capgemini and MongoDB are enabling this transformation, helping enterprises unlock AI's full potential. The time to act is now.